নমস্কাৰ মুক্ত আকাশৰ কাৰেণ্ট এফেয়াৰ্ছ সেকশনলৈ আপোনালোকক সকলোকে স্বাগতম জনাইছো চাওক আজিৰ দিনটো কাৰেণ্ট এফেয়াৰ্ছৰ টপিক কেইটা আজিৰ দিনটোতে আমি অৰ্গানাইজ কৰো বা আমি সেলিব্ৰেট কৰো ওয়াৰ্ল্ড ডে এগেইনষ্ট চাইল্ড লেবাৰ এই 2021 চনটোকে ডিক্লেয়াৰ কৰা হৈছে দ্য ইন্টাৰনেশ্যনেল ইয়াৰ ফৰ দি এলিমিনেশ্যন অফ চাইল্ড লেবাৰ A World Day Against Child Labor to International Labour Organization আৰু UNICEF jointly organize কৰে বা jointly celebrate কৰে এই দিনটো পোন প্ৰথমবাৰৰ বাবে celebrate কৰা হৈছিল 2002 চনত আৰু recently International Labour Organization আৰু United Nations Children's Fund এটা report publish কৰিছিল য'ত কোৱা হৈছিল that the child labor has risen to 160 million the first increase in 2 decades that is in the 20 years in this 20 years this is the first increase in child labor cases also they have warned that 9 million additional children are at a risk as a result of covid-19 pandemic যিহেতু lot many businesses has been shut down বা lot many people have lost their jobs আৰু এটা ফাইনান্সৰ কথা আছে তো most of the business owners what they will think is হস্তা বা কম খৰচতে কামবোৰ হৈ যাওক হেকিনে তেওঁলোকে বহুত সৰু সৰু ল'ৰা-ছোৱালী বিলাকক কামত লগাব পাৰিব বা কামত লগাই ল'ব and this will give rise to the child labor cases in the same line in view with the World Day Against Child Labor this is a notice that has been published that has been put forward by the Assam State Commission for Protection of Child Rights. The second news is center worried over unabated illegal infiltration and scow smuggling along Bangladesh border. উপৰ হেডলাইনটো বুজাইছে যে বাংলাদেশৰ পৰা বহুতো ইলিগেল ইনফিল্ট্ৰেশন হৈছে আমি সকলোৱে গমে পাওঁ যে since time immemorial there has been illegal infiltration from Bangladesh into West Bengal into the northeastern areas so that is one concern which is growing on and along with it illegal cow smuggling like from West Bengal cow is being smuggled into Bangladesh from northeastern areas also cow is being smuggled to Bangladesh so these two reasons are making the center worry a lot এটা বাংলাদেশৰ লগত আমি দেখিছো যে West Bengal along with a few of the northeastern states they are sharing it the border so in northeast you can see Assam is one state Meghalaya আছে Tripura আছে আৰু Mizoram আছে and along with West Bengal out of these 5 states West Bengal border to sobotse dikhol which is around 2210 kilometers 2216 kilometers to be more exact and out of this 1638 kilometers has been fenced in the same way Tripura border 8.856 kilometers tar bhitor 794 kilometers has been fenced Meghalaya 443 kilometers out of which 325 kilometers has been fenced Mizoram 318 kilometers out of which only almost nearby half of the entire length has been fenced and in case of Assam 263 kilometers is the border that it is sharing and out of which 210 kilometers has been fenced so as per Ministry of Home Affairs what they claim what they are saying is the fencing work jekiti choli ase it could not be completed because of certain issues bohutu problem hoar kane teloke etialeke bortoman homoy leke complete korbo pa nai tar bidot hoise eta difficult terrain apnaloke jane je northeastern terrain to অলপ চ্যালেঞ্জিং হয় বহুত আপোনাৰ পাহাৰীয়া অঞ্চল আছে বহুত হিলি অঞ্চল আছে because of which it is not as easy to establish the fencing along the terrains apart from this riverine and marshy areas jibur ami okhomet metakoni ba pitoni boli ko to tenokwa bahut jaga ase because of which border can be fenced ba bahutu kosto hoy amar BSF or battalions bilakok surveillance koribole apart from this short working seasons mane apnar mahjura ba mane dikholia koi kaam koribo para na jay because of which the work is not completed apart from this land acquisition problems mane fencing establish koribole edukhor mati dorkar hobo he madyokhor ক্ৰয় কৰিবলৈ বা পাব্লিকৰ পৰা লবলৈ অলপ দিগদাৰি হৈছে there has been public protests as well নিয়াৰবাই ভিলেজ এৰিয়াত বা সেই ফেন্সিং বা বৰ্ডাৰ এৰিয়াৰ আশে পাশে যিবিলাক লোকেলিটি আছে তেওঁলোকৰ পৰা অলপ প্ৰটেষ্ট পাইছে বা অলপ অবজেকশ্যন পাইছে অপজিশ্যন পাইছে এণ্ড দেৰ হেজ বিন এন আনাদাৰ ইণ্টাৰনেশ্যনেল ইনচিডেণ্ট দেট ইজ ইট ইজ অবজেকশ্যন ফ্ৰম দি বৰ্ডাৰ গাৰ্ড বাংলাদেশ তো যেনেকৈ আমাৰ BSF আছে তেনেকৈ বাংলাদেশৰ ফালে বৰ্ডাৰ গাৰ্ড আছে যোনে এই fencing কামটো বা fencing workটো অলপ অবজেক্ট কৰিছে because of which Minister of Home Affairs তেওঁলোকে কৈছে যে the fencing works could not be completed so far এতিয়া এই বাংলাদেশৰ লগতে আমি এটা কোৱেশ্চন আমি ডিসকাস কৰিব পাৰিম that which Indian state shares its maximum boundaries so the correct answer will be Uttar Pradesh because it is sharing a border with 9 Indian states so which is the highest among all the other states তো অসমৰ ক্ষেত্ৰত আমি যদি চাওঁ অৰুণাচল আছে নাগালেণ্ড আছে মণিপুৰ আছে মিজোৰাম আছে ত্ৰিপুৰা আছে মেঘালয় আছে so all together it makes and West Bengal আছে so all together it makes 7 states so Assam is sharing 7 states alongside and Uttar Pradesh is the state which is sharing its maximum boundaries with maximum states in India now the third one is 3 number topic to hoise special status necessary for Atmanirbhar Andhra this statement is being given by Andhra Pradesh CM Jagan Mohan Reddy their statement to ekene koise je it was back in 2014 jetia Andhra Pradesh aru Telangana split hoisile তো back then Andhra Pradesh কোৱা হৈছিলে যে তেওঁলোকক স্পেশাল ক্যাটাগৰি স্ট্যাটাস দিয়া হ'ব বা SCS দিয়া হ'ব because of based on which তেনেকুৱা assurance দিয়াৰ কাৰণে Andhra Pradesh the split of Telangana from Andhra it was accepted but এতিয়ালৈকে হে স্পেশাল ক্যাটাগৰি স্ট্যাটাস তো দিয়া হোৱা নাই and because of which there are certain political issues and political updates coming up তো হেকনে স্টেটমেন্টটো Andhra Pradesh CM কৈছে the special status of কথা যেটো কোৱা হৈছে and that is very much necessary because it can help Andhra Pradesh attain Atmanirbhar Andhra so out of this apnar likhise je northeastern states special category status pai ase including Sikkim and apart from the northeastern states that is this seven sisters plus Sikkim Uttarakhand Himachal Pradesh aru Jammu and Kashmir special category status pai ase it was in 1969 when the first special category status was being offered or it was being granted to Jammu Kashmir Assam and Nagaland so these three states were the first states to receive such kind of status but then again SCS too this is not a constitutional right but this is not a constitutional benefit or a constitutional pleasure that these states are receiving so it is based upon some certain central policies based on which they are getting some grants they are getting some special criteria now a criteria kita hoise a hilly terrain is one of the criteria to get a special category status then low density where population is low all right so like at a particular place there is very low population then location along borders তো আপোনালোকে দেখিব পাৰিছে যে আমাৰ নৰ্থ ইষ্টাৰ্ণ ষ্টেটছ বিলাকৰ বৰ্ডাৰ প্ৰায়খিনি এৰিয়াত চাইনা বা ভুটান বা ইফালে বাংলাদেশ বা ইফালে মায়ানমাৰ লগত অলপ শেয়াৰ হয় তো দ্যাট ইজ আনাদাৰ ক্ৰাইটেৰিয়া বিকজ অফ হুইচ নৰ্থ ইষ্টাৰ্ণ ষ্টেটছ আৰ গেটিং দি স্পেচিয়েল ষ্টেটাছ আৰু ইকনমিক ব্যাকৱাৰ্ডনেছ তো আপোনালোকে জানে যে নৰ্থ ইষ্ট বহুত পিছপৰা অঞ্চলৰ ভিতৰত পৰে এতিয়া বৰ্তমান সেইকাৰণে এনেকুৱা কেটেগৰী বা এনেকুৱা স্পেচিয়েল এছিষ্টেন্স দিয়া হৈছিল তো এটাও বৰ্তমান নৰ্থ ইষ্টৰ কাৰণে নৰ্থ ইষ্টৰ ডেভেলপমেন্টৰ কাৰণে এটা মিনিষ্ট্ৰি আছে which we call it as development of north eastern region or donor ministry so donor ministry is looking into the overall development into the overall upliftment of the northeastern regions তাৰপিছত আহিছে G7 nations gather to pledge 1 billion vax doses for world so G7 nations যিকেখন মেম্বাৰ নেশ্যন আছে বা যিকেজন মেম্বাৰ country hoy তেওঁলোকে কৈছে যে they will be providing 1 billion vaccines to the world out of which half of the vaccines that is 500 million will be offered by US 100 million will be offered by UK and the remaining 400 million will be offered by the other member states তো এই ৰূপতে আপোনালোকে চাই ল'ব যে ফাইজাৰ ভেকচিন আছে which is manufactured in USA. Moderna, AstraZeneca, this has been developed in UK. Then CureVac আছে which is being developed in Germany, and Sinovac, this is of China. এইখিনিতে আমি ইণ্ডিয়ান ভেকচিনছ কেইটাৰ বিষয়ে আমি জানি ল'ব পাৰোঁ। এটা হৈছে আপোনাৰ কোভিশ্বিল্ড যাক ডেভেলপ কৰা হৈছিলে Serum Institute of India, which is based in Pune. Then we have Covaxin, which is being manufactured or which is being developed by Bharat Biotech, which is having its headquarter in Hyderabad. এটা বৰ্তমান ইণ্ডিয়াত স্পুটনিকো আহি পৰিছে, which is having its origin of Russia, Sputnik V or Sputnik vaccine. Now, G7 nations or member states ki khon hoise USA, Canada, United Kingdom, France, Italy, Japan aru Germany, and along with it European nations who G7 or part hai. Now Russia part asila G7 or but that time it was called as G8, that is group of 8. But when in 2014 Russia attacked on Ukraine to annex Crimea, so then it was decided that Russia should be suspended, or they should be kicked out of the group of nations. So finally in 2017 through formal procedures Russia walked out of the group of 8 nations, and finally the group became G7 nations. So G7 nation or protect bosore summit hoy 2020 summit was to be conducted. It was scheduled to be conducted. It was supposed to take place in USA, but because of COVID it had to be cancelled, it had to be postponed. So ebar 2021 or summit khon hoise apnar UK, that is it is in Londonot organize kora hoise. And in 2021 there were few invited members. So invited members are Australia, India, South Africa and South Korea. But unfortunately, because of the growing COVID times, our PM couldn't attend the summit, which has already started. But he will be attending virtually. So through virtual mode, he will be attending the G7 summit, which is still going on. এটা ইণ্টাৰনেশ্যনেল আপডেট আহি পৰিছে which is related to Kulbhushan Jadhav. সকলো আপোনালোকে চাগে ধৰিব পাৰিছে হয় মানুহজনক. He is currently in Pakistan jail, and he had been sentenced to death by the Pakistani military court. But a case to loy, but a ghotna to loy, there was a case that was being heard at the International Court of Justice. International Court of Justice, it is in Hague, the Netherlands. So eto eta kotha apnaloke note down koribo paribo. So recently ki ahi porise that the Pakistan's National Assembly on Thursday approved a bill that will provide Jadhav the right to appeal in a civilian court against his conviction and death sentence by military court. So hoisle ki Kulbhushan Jadhav was being arrested by Pakistani authorities based on certain inputs that he was carrying out some espionage activities, that is spying against another country for some other country. So he is a retired naval officer, and he was arrested, and then he was convicted of all the crimes, and then he was awarded a death sentence. But the issue arise here is that means ki hoisile je without any legal counsel, without any legal access, straight away sentencing kora hoisile, and for which India had to appeal. India had to file a case in the International Court of Justice. And finally, at the end, what the verdict was, that India demanded that means Mr. Jadhav to be facilitated safe passage to India, and but key hoisile that whatever decisions were taken by the military court, that is to be dismissed, and Kulbhushan Jadhav to be handed over to India. But that was not considered by ICJ. But at the same time, ICJ, what they observed was that Pakistan was under an obligation to provide, by means of its own choosing, effective review and reconsideration of the conviction and sentence of Mr. Jadhav, so as to ensure that full weight was given to the effect of the violation of the rights set forth in Article 36 of Vienna Convention. So UN or jitu Vienna convention ase, so based on that convention there is the 36th article. There is this 36th article which states that it means Article 36 of the Vienna Convention on Consular Relation, to which 170 nations are party, requires a nation arresting or detaining a foreign national to afford the detainee access to his or her consulate and to notify the foreign national of the right to consular access. মানে হৈছে কি that if any individual, say suppose as a India কোনোবা এজন পাকিস্তানী বা কোনোবা এজন foreign national যদি detain কৰা হয় বা arrest কৰা হয়, so by the law or by the guidelines of Vienna Convention, it is the responsibility by India etu nijo kortobyo he individual jonok kobole ba he foreign bideshi manojonok kobole je he has the right to consular access, mane he ba teo jie nohok lagile teo legal access ba legal service access koribo paribo so as to fight his claim. But Kulbhushan Jadav's case hetu howa nasile, so without any legal counsel but without any cross questioning in the court, he was straight away awarded his conviction and death sentence. So because of which his case is still pending, and because of which Pakistan etyaleke a death sentence to eku proceed koribo para nai. Now, at a sports news Euro 2021 finally started, but this was supposed to be conducted in 2020, but because of COVID, yak ebosor postpone kori dia hoisil aru joa kalir pura Euro apna arambho hoi gol. Ebar Euro eta boikhisto hoisil that this is for the first time in the 60-year-old history of the tournament, that the tournament is taking place in 11 different cities. Agote ki hoy ekhon in one country there are many stadiums, there are many cities tate organize kora hoy, but ebar ki hoise there are 11 different cities where Euro is being organized. তো ইয়াৰ লগতে এটা কথা আপোনালোকে জানি থব পাৰিব যে the current winner or the current champions is Portugal, যি আপোনাৰ 2016 ত যি কাপটো জিকিছিলে, so that was for the first time Portugal won the Euro Cup. সকলোৰে কোনোবা মনত আছে চাগে আপোনাৰ পেনাল্টি শুটআউট হৈছিল আৰু ৰনাল্ডো সেই সময়ত ইনজুৰ হৈ সাবস্টিটিউট হৈ গৈছিল। আজিলে ইমানে, আশা কৰো এই ভিডিওটো আপোনালোকৰ কামত আহিব, চাবলৈ নাপাহৰিব মুক্ত আকাশ। ধন্যবাদ।